This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 73 of Building Optimus Prime. In this issue, we're starting his gun. I don't know, Optimus gun, I don't see him as being a shooty first person. He's more of a talky person, isn't he? But he's got a gun, so we're going to build it. We've got Tessa Yeager, Cade Yeager's daughter. Yeah, I remember that. Not so long since I've watched that film. Mechanical animals, beast machines. Yeah, I can't remember what they call them now. Not beast machines, it's different. Ratbat. That's just a rebranding of the cassette tape one from Soundwave. Can't remember what it was called, but there we go. The keys to Cybertron. Yep. Go. Minicons. Yeah, don't like them. I like the big proper ones. I'm sure they're around somewhere. They'll be at my parents' house, but yeah, I don't know. They'll be around somewhere. If I find them, I'll bring them on stream. So yes, we've got the Ion Blaster Rifle, Part 1. Begin the assembly of the blaster rifle that Optimus Prime carries. 2 screws, so probably only using one of them. And mostly snapped together, so it shouldn't take long to get that put together. And the start of the gun in 3 separate bits, because we've got the other bits to add into it later. Has he got a second gun? Or is that, oh no, that's the detail of that, where he got it in his hand. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get straight to it and start on the gun. Right, so here we go. All plastic, this, apart from the screws, obviously. But yeah, it's some nice moulding detail on there. It's all fine. Let's see what bits we've got to put where. That's going to go on the top there to fill in that gap detail there, because it's moulded in one side rather than round. Goes on there okay like that. Then we've got that bit. It'll be the other side of that bit, isn't it? That is going there like that. Again, 3 holes line up, nice and easy. Okay, it looks like that. It does indeed. Then we've got that. That, as I say, is going to go there. And that goes over there. Fine. We're going to end up with some seam lines, which I may or may not bother about doing anything with. They're not going to be terribly, worrying. A little cap goes on the end there. I wasn't sure that that was going to be sufficiently in there, but it's not coming back out again. So yeah, I don't think that needs to be glued in place at all. That's good. Then we've got the 2 sides of this go together around it. Haven't it? If I skipped a bit, no, I haven't. No, it's not. It's not showing that at all. It's just showing this, the inside of this bit that I thought was that. So that's going on there that way around, like so. That's together again. Nice. A little bit of over making there, but again, not terrible. Not too bad. And the barrel goes onto the end of that. Doesn't look like it matters which end. So that's what we've got. Don't know. The 3 holes there seem to line up with the 3 holes there, so that's going to go on there like that. And that, yeah, I do need to glue that in place, obviously. Oh, they don't line up with that. I thought they did, but they don't. They sort of do that way round, but that can't go on there like that. So I don't know. That's obviously going to be on there though. It's the same sort of shaping as that, but only sort of half of it. Anyway, not for now. I'll glue that in place, and then that's that. We didn't even use the screws. We should have used the screws in the first bit. In the first stage, should have used the screw. So let me get that back apart. See where that goes. It's in this bit. Through the big hole there onto that. That's not where that even attached, is it? That just go over the top of that. Oh no, that's just a different type of fitting, so that does go in there. I don't think that's necessary, but we have done it. There we go. That's that. Yeah, I'll add a little bit of glue to that and put that back in place. But then we are done for that issue. I think next month we get another part of this, so we've got a bit more foot to do next time. And then continuing with this going forwards. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.